Yo, 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 what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy, none other than MC Ed, coming back with a brand new storm chasing video. And damn, I have a lot of special guests that I do not want. Anyway, so you guys are probably wondering why I'm doing this kind of intro in the middle of nowhere with a beautiful sunset in the background. I don't know either. But anyway, so this storm chasing video that I have coming up right now is going to be crazy. You guys already see the title above already. And yes, it's going to be nuts. I'm excited to drop this one. And also, I want to give a big shout out to everybody who's been tuning into my music, showing love and support of my music, and all the other content that I've been uploading. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. And let's jump straight into the content. I'm not going to yap around with this intro already because, damn, I have a lot of special guests. I do not want to, damn, get off of me. Anyway, so talking to all these flies and mosquitoes that are just surrounding me right now. So with no further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Hit that like button if you guys are liking this video. Also, don't forget to turn on that post notification if you guys are liking this video. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's jump straight into today's storm chasing video right now. And damn, flies, get out of here. So I could see that storm right there. Look at that. That looked like a shelf cloud over there. Look at that. So we have a very, very, very big storm south of Hanford. Right over there, what I'm closely observing. I'm gonna drive towards it. Turning towards that storm. Look at that. Very heavy rain, quarter-size hail, and possible damaging winds as well. Cloud structure looks very impressive. So here's a better view of that storm. The wind is definitely picking up around here. The wind is blowing straight out of that storm. So look at that. Noticing frequent cloud-to-cloud lightning within that storm. Very frequent cloud-to-cloud lightning. Going to post up right here for a cool bit. Listen to all that thunder. Frequent cloud-to-cloud lightning strikes within that storm. Hear that thunder. Hopefully I caught that. Up, it is shooting straight out of that storm. It is pouring down here where I'm at right now. It's starting to pour. Just be aware that this is a very dangerous thing to do. I might have to get in the car very, very soon. Yep. So it's not raining that much right now, but just know that this is a very, very dangerous storm. Quarter-size hail possible. Definitely the wind has been picking up tremendously. And here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Time to slow down. Here we are. Woo! Oh! Woo! Holy shit! Woo! Nice hail! Try to see how big they are too. Pea-sized hail, from what I can see, bouncing down the cart. The worst of it is just to my east. That's where the bulk of the storm is at. The sun is trying to peek out, and the bulk of the storm is over here. This is where the severe stuff is at. There's been flooding around here too. This storm is producing an extreme amount of heavy rain. Alright, here we go. Look at this hailstorm. Look at this hailstorm. Huge marble-sized hail right here. You can see it bouncing. You can see the hail bouncing off the car. Woo! Huge giant-sized hail right here. Look at this hailstorm. Woo! Hail's getting bigger too. Whoa! Look at this hailstorm. Wow. Look at this. Look at this hailstorm. It is unbelievable. Woo! This is crazy. Pea-sized hail, giant-sized hail. What a storm. So I'm out of that hailstorm, and I'm seeing an incredible amount of rain right now. I missed a cloudy brown lightning strike right before I hit record, but this storm is huge. That's the same storm that I was in earlier. Look how far this storm traveled. And that storm is still severe right now. Raining in the sun. Beautiful. Beautiful after a severe storm with lots of hail and lightning and winds too. Beautiful. And not to mention, guys, but that's a very, very beautiful rainbow over there. Look at that rainbow. Beautiful.